G'day, Brett here from Gendore Tractors Machinery from Leongatha. Today we're out here on the farm of Travis Thomas and Penny Massaro's, taking delivery of their new SM130 EzFeed Hustler Pit Silage feed-out wagon. Travis first approached us for a solution to feed out his pit silage at either in the paddock or in a feedlot situation with bunkers, which he's currently getting built on the farm as we speak. The idea for the SM130 came up when Jordan, our rep from Hustler, said that we have a new machine that is going to be released into Australia, and if Travis would like to have a look at it and see the differences between what our machine offers over the current machines on the market in the Australian sector for feeding out pit silage. Jordan come to us with all the specs, the differences between the competitors, such as bigger chain capacities on the machine, larger hydraulic drive motors. They're now using a 15mm puck solid plastic flooring, a lot better wearing for our conditions in South Gippsland down here. As you can probably see, the machine is not the usual Hustler green and white. It's come into Australia as the first machine to be tickled pink, is the actual code for the unit. Me and Travis were nearly finalising the deal on the feeder, and he said he would sign if I could get him a pink wagon. To me, I thought he's sort of having a lend to me, but yeah, said leave it with me, I'll make a couple of phone calls. So I rang Jordan, same thing. Jordan thought the same thing. Who is this bloke? What's he on about? I said, listen mate, he's on a farm, he's got 3 young girls on there and a wife. We need to accommodate for this fella, and if you want to get a deal, we've got to make something happen. Jordan went to the powers that be with Hustler. He came back with an answer straight away and said, yes, we can do it, which then Trav agreed to ordering the machine. That's how we then got involved with the Outram Cricket Club with the Pink Stumps Day and the Jane McGrath Foundation. We thought it'd be a great opportunity with Travis obviously committing to having a pink wagon on the farm, which is right on the highway, which will have unbelievable exposure for people driving past wondering what the hell it is. But yeah, more importantly, with everyone that obviously has been affected and by breast cancer, we thought it'd be a great opportunity to get in with the McGrath Foundation and yeah, make a good cause of it.